Here we are at the home of Hiker Trailer in Denver, Colorado. This is a family-run business. They make small, they call them teardrops. They're not really teardrop shaped, but they're kind of that sort of size. There are actually a lot of small manufacturers making these kind of trailers now. They've kind of become a big thing. But what sets Hiker Trailer apart is that they specialize in off-road trailers. You can see this one's an off-road model. It's got big wheels and it's really high up off the ground. And as I do a lot of boondocking and such, that's kind of what drew me to this brand over other brands in this price range. Here you can see this one has a solar package. They're mounting a solar panel on the front, and then the battery is in that box there. These are all custom made, so there aren't really like models that you buy. You order them and then they make them to order. So these all belong to somebody. All these trailers sitting here, they're in the process of being built. You can see this one's got some stuff going on it. And then the owners come pick them up when they're ready to ship. But yeah, I'm checking out, this is the 5x8 model, kind of the standard deluxe model. That's probably what I'm looking at in my price range. I don't need like a crazy super off-road model because, I mean, let's face it, my truck is not really like a super off-roady kind of truck. But it's actually got a lot more space inside than I anticipated. The cabinets there built in come standard on the deluxe model. There's a pass-through that leads to the galley out the back. Yeah, this is actually more spacious than I was anticipating. They do come with fans. Another brand that I looked at was the Runaway. Similar price range, less meant for off-roading. On the Runaway, they have ACs in the front, which Hiker Trailer does not do, but they do the fan instead, which again makes more sense for me since I do a lot of boondocking and I anticipate that's where I'm going to be using it most. I don't really need the AC so much. So yeah, I'm going to peek around and climb around inside and do some exploring here. Pass-through in the galley, this is the standard cabinetry option that comes with the deluxe. There are fancier ones that have a bigger door that goes all the way down, and then you can have cabinets going all the way to the bottom, but this is the standard version. And what I noticed right away is it's actually a really big opening. There's just this little tiny lip here, but there's space underneath. I could actually put my computer right there, and I mean, my computer's, it's a small laptop. Like, there's room if I put, just like set something on there to get rid of the lip. That's totally enough space there to put my laptop in there, so I could actually like sit here and work on my laptop. It'd be like kind of a little desk area, and that's really quite awesome. Looking at the galley in the back. This one's got a large side swing door, which I think is probably worth a $75 upgrade, because then you don't have to worry about the arms giving out. I have that problem with my truck. My little arms that automatically swing the top up and hold it up broke shortly after I picked up the truck, and yeah, it's kind of a pain. So just looking in from the rear. A different galley in the back. This one has some shelves put in it. You can get different options there.